This is for Year 12 Methods. It comes out of the Technology Masterclass number 18, and it comes in a pair of questions about trying to find the graph. Sometimes I'll give you equations that have the graph way up with very high y values, and it's difficult to find it. My suggestion is you manually work out your x values, and in this case there's a bit of an indication. I go from 0, I'm asked for 10, so I'll probably go to 20, and then use Zoom Auto. Zoom Auto is fantastic because it keeps the x values but will automatically change the y values to fit the graph. Okay, so I've got 4,300, make sure you get the correct number of noughts, e to the power of x over 10. Normally I keep the parameter as it is, but I wish to use x, not t, because I wish to graph this. Minus 300, make sure the minus 300 is after the exponential and doesn't get caught inside the exponential. So I'm going to open up a graphing window. I'm going to change from 0, I need 10, so I'm going to go to 20. He says as he starts typing 10. Okay, take this, drag and drop it, and Zoom Auto. And there it is. If I go and look at my numbers, my y's go from 4,000 to 31,000. So I'm going to make that 0. And I'm going to make that 35,000. And there I can see a nice little graph. So what is the population initially? So the y-intercept, not found. So if I move it over a little bit, analysis g-solve y-intercept is going to be 4,000. And analysis g-solve y-calc when x equals 10 to the nearest goose is 11,389 to the nearest goose, therefore my 0.6 gets rounded up to 9. After how many geese has the population passed 50,000? So I'm going to now go up to 55,000. And maybe I need to go out to 100. And if I press X and I do 55,000, analysis g-solve intersection, it's going to take 25.5 years. After how many years? So after 25 years it is not yet 55,000, so it's got to be 50,000, Craig. So analysis g-solve intersection between not that curve but yes and yes. So at 24 it is not yet, but 24.59 is equal. So after 25 years, because after 24 years you're not yet 50,000, but after 25 years you are.